First of all, I want to thank God Almighty for His mercies, His grace, and strength, which He has put in me. I want to also thank my lovely wife, Her Royal Majesty, Okuama, Blessing Clement Ikolo, and she's truly awesome, and I thank God for giving her to me. And in no particular order, I also want to thank Senator Edoelection. It's been amazing. It's been amazing. The support he gave is really, words cannot say anything about it. I'm short of words to talk about his support. And also, Senator Ned Woko, who came with Edoelection to see me at the center where I was. I want to thank my uncle, Dr. Ebenezer Okorodudu, who is here today. He's been awesome. He's been amazing. I don't know who did it. I really don't have words also, because he's putting so much and he stood so firm. My younger brother, who is also here, Clement Ikolo, I also want to thank him. And so many people out there. The governor of Delta State, His Excellency, the Sheriff of Peterobi, I want to thank him as well. Thank his Chief of Staff, Honorable Prince Erijo, Chief Mrs. Samioku. There's so many people out there who has supported me in this cause. And I would also like to thank Honorable Wike. He was very supportive as well at the time, and I believe he's still supportive up till this very moment. And Senator Onoapo as well, and the entire Senate of Nigeria, the House of Rep, the Army. I really want to thank the Army, especially the facility where I was. The commanding officer was amazing, and the people there, the service they gave was really good. They looked after me, and they did so well. I also want to thank the intelligence, the Nigerian Army Intelligence Corps, the chief of the intelligence corps. I want to thank him, for all for looking after me and all what they have done so far. So I just want to say this to all Nigerians as well, the press, everybody out there who has been very supportive. I just want to give them thanks at the very moment and say, God is awesome. And I also want to thank particularly the traditional rulers of Delta State for their immense support. And I was told, I was really surprised. As I was surprised, the support they gave was outstanding. It was outstanding. I want to thank them, and I want to thank the Urobo Progressive Union for their support as well. The president of UPU, Esegam, I want to thank him. And I also want to thank the Urobo people for the support they have given as well. We say thank God, and my prayer is that all those who have committed this heinous crime be brought to book to the glory of God. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Of our King of Ewu, ladies and gentlemen of the press, I think the King has said thank you to so many people. There may be one or two he has missed out. I want to assure him again that there were very, very many Urobo sons and daughters that supported him in this trying time with prayers and with lobby to ensure that his issues were kept on the front burner. I'd like to, just by way of emphasis, to thank the Nigerian military for the professional way they have handled this matter. It's a difficult matter to have handled. The gruesome murder of 17 officers and men requires and continues to require the detailed investigation that is being carried out. But I would like to emphasize that the king has been treated in a professional manner. Access to medicine, Bible, and other comforts are made available. Lastly, I'd like to formally state that, as the General mentioned earlier, the king is being handed over to my care, and I will, of course, make him available should they require any further interaction with him to assist with the investigations. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you most kindly, sir.